Yo, what's good, everybody? It's David from Let's Geedy Studios. Let's try it again. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's David from Let's Geedy Studios. Here, I'm gonna give you the most easiest, most simplest Android Studios tutorial that you've ever seen. If you're just like a lazy high school student trying to just get things done quickly and efficiently, like me, you came to the right place. By the end of this video, you will have made an app. A simple one, obviously, but still something that you can flex your parents to gain their approval so you can go back to gaming without feeling any guilt.
Yeah.
So you can be more productive during this difficult time of coronavirus. If you want a more in-depth guide, I suggest that you go somewhere else. Because, like, honestly, seriously, like, I'm gonna be, like, zero help to you. But anyways, without further ado, let's get it! So I came back with glasses because I'm literally blind, but anyways. So the first thing you want to do is download Android Studios. And if you don't know how to download Android Studios, I don't know what to tell you. Once you open Android Studios, you're going to see this screen. And you're just going to press Create New Project. And they give you a lot of options here. And we'll probably go into that some other day. But today we're just going to do an empty activity. The most simplest. And here you can name your application. I'm just going to name mine Let's Get It! No! Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, and you press Finish. And your project is going to set up. And it's going to take a while, so I'm going to go take a shit. Pasaki! So once your project is done setting up, this is a screen you're gonna see. You may ask, what is all this? Bunch of code, seems complicated, but don't ask me, I don't really know either. Just don't delete it and everything's gonna work just fine. Okay, so the actual first thing you wanna do is go to the top left corner, Activity Main. And you're gonna see this blank screen right here. And whatever's displayed on this screen is what the user is gonna see when they open the application. So in the side panel here, you're gonna see a bunch of elements. Text view, button, image view, recycler view, whatever. We're gonna talk about that later, but today we're gonna keep it simple and just use a button. So what you're gonna do is press button and just drag it on here, like how you would drag an image in like a PowerPoint per se. Okay, once I've dragged the button in, I can resize it. Simple, easy. Move it around however I want to. I'm gonna put it right there. And I don't really know why, but you have to press these plus buttons to set it in place. So don't forget to do that, or else it's gonna be effed up. Okay, so you can go to the side here also, where it says text, and change what the button's gonna say. So let's say let's get it. That's the only thing I can think of. I'm sorry, my brain is lacking. Okay, let's get it. And then inside it, it's gonna change to let's get it. You can also name your button. So up here in the top right corner where it says ID, you can name it whatever you want. And I'm gonna say like, come on, baby.
This needs to stop now.
But make sure you remember what you wrote here because we're gonna use it later. And for this app, let's do something like, if you press the button, like a text shows up that says let's get it. So if you press like a let's get it button, let's get it, it says, okay, what? I'm sorry. So to do that, you're gonna drag a text view on there. So text view is like a text box, essentially. You can resize it like a text box. You can change, you can change text size, like 24. I'm gonna make it like 30 here. You can also drag it wherever you want to, but don't forget to press the pluses to set it in place. Again, I don't really know why I have to do this too. And since I don't want it to say text view, I'm just gonna delete this text view right here. And it's gonna be blank text box. And for the name, I'm gonna say display text. Okay. Refresh. Alright, nice. And that's it for the simple display of the application. And it should have been pretty easy, just like how you make like a PowerPoint or something. You can also mess around with it to fit your own style. So now that that's done, how do we make this actually work? To do that, we're gonna do some coding, but don't be scared. I promise you, it's super easy. So first, what you want to do is create a button in the code. Why you do that? I don't really know either. Just follow along, just copy, everything's gonna work fine. So what you want to do is write button and whatever you want to name the button as. I like to keep it same as what I wrote before, so come on, baby. Also, don't forget to press Alt-Enter to import the button library. Just do it, or else it's not gonna work. Okay, so come on, baby equals find view by ID r.id dot come on baby, and make sure to end the line with the semicolon. So what goes on here is what you wrote as the name of the button, come on baby. So make sure to do that. You don't do the same thing with a text view. So text view, display text equals find view by ID r.id dot display text. Honestly, you just need to copy everything down here. You don't really need to know why and how everything works. Same for me when I first learned it. Okay, so next what you want to do is call on come on baby. So write come on baby dot set on click listener. New on view on click listener. Press enter and everything pops up right here. It does it for you. It writes it for you essentially. How easy is that? And if you see here, it says on click, right? It literally means on click. So whatever you write inside here, right here, it's gonna execute when we press the button. When we on click the button, what's inside here is gonna execute. It's that simple. It's that easy. It's that literal. So what you wanna do is display text dot literally set text to whatever you wanna say. So here I'm gonna say, let's get it. So to kind of explain what I wrote here, so basically button come on baby, when we click on it, it's gonna display text to let's get it. Bam. And now you're done. It's that easy. And what we gotta do now is run the app in an actual device. So before you can run any apps on your device, you have to change some settings on your device first. So I'm mine right here. And what you wanna do is go to settings, go to system, go to advanced, and I already have it right here, but I'm gonna turn it off just to show you guys how to do it. Alright, now it's gone. Alright, so you go to about tablet and you scroll down to build number and you press it 7 times. I don't know why, I have no idea why. You just press it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you enter your password. And it just say you're now a developer. And when you go back, you just see an option called developer option. So you go in, scroll down, press this, and allow USB debugging. And if you allow USB debugging, you should be able to connect your device to computer and run your application. So now that my device is ready, I'm gonna connect it to my computer. So I connected my device now, and now on Android Studios, you go to the top, press run app. So once you run the code, it should take a while, but it's just a Gradle build running. And that means your app is downloading on your device. So just give some time, just wait, just chill, drink some water. Okay, it's almost ready. Success. So once you're done, automatically the app should launch on your phone or any of your device. So now you see here, and like we said, if you press let's get it, it should display text let's get it. So bam, let's get it. Go back, let's try it again. Let's get it. And now you have your first app. That easy, that simple, that easy, that simple, that easy, that simple. Let's get it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are able to make your parents proud. And as always, get on.
그럴 거면 하지 마 너.
Get on going with your project. 진짜 아니라니까.